Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to pause your search history. This is basically temporary pausing your search history, okay? Let's begin by opening up your YouTube app. Once you have it open, go to so look at the very bottom of my screen. Currently, I'm at home, and that's the red icon. To the right of this, you see where it says library. Go ahead and tap on that. All right. Now, the very first item that you see on this tab is history. Tap on that. Okay. Now, take a look on the upper right corner. Do you see those three vertical dots? Tap on those. And the menu will come from the bottom. And you have the option of pausing your watch history. And just tap on that. And there you go. I've paused my search history. Okay. Now, whenever I search, my history won't be recorded. And to remove it, I just have to go back, follow some instructions to get here. So look at the very bottom, go to where it says library. And then the very top on the upper right corner, where you see those three dots, tap on those. And I can tap again, resume watch history. And there you go. That's how you pause and resume watch history. It's pretty easy, but if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.